Everyone should use VPN for 3 reasons. 1, preserve the net neutrality. 2nd, security. You want to be secure, use VPN. And 3rd is privacy. The VPN works as such, basically tunneling all your traffic from your device to a particular VPN server. What you do with that traffic at the VPN server is a different question. So you tunnel it, but you encrypt it and tunnel it to the VPN server. The VPN server, what do you do with the traffic? Well, you provide remote access to the maybe private network, your resources. You provide access control, you provide firewall capability, you provide kind of DDoS protection, you provide anti-malwares. There are all sort of capability that you can provide with a VPN, because what you're doing, in fact, you're redirecting your traffic to a trusted VPN server. That server, whether it's managed by your company or it's managed by a particular provider. It is very important for the society to protect the net neutrality, preserve that, in my view. And the second, it's very important for the society where I want to feel secure when I'm exchanging information. If I'm exchanging, whether it's peer-to-peer, sending text messages, or whether I'm accessing basically a website, I want to ensure that's really secure. Third, I want to ensure that also it's private, so nobody can tap into that information and have the knowledge what kind of information I'm really exchanging. I think it is very important for the society that to have, that's part of our freedom and liberty to protect that.